Hello, I'm Alexander from Trading Price Action on fisrt.com, and this is the weekly recap for the first week of November. We took a total of 8 trades this week, 4 losing trades, 2 break-even trades, and 2 winners. Let's take a look at what we did this week. Let's take up the higher time frame here and begin with the Monday. We only had 3 trading days for this week. I had a holiday in between the week. Let's take a look at Monday here. 2 trades on Monday, 2 short trades right at the beginning of the trading session. Trend was up, but price was trying to break a support level that was in place at 17. Price eventually broke this support area. We got a pullback, first setup of the day, losing 16 ticks. Price eventually pulled back into the prior support area that turned into resistance, and we had to take a re-entry short. The second trade of the day eventually was good for 183 ticks in total. That was Monday, up by 135 ticks for the day, up by $1,350. Tuesday, I closed the room on Tuesday. It was All Saints Day here in Europe, and I couldn't be here during the trading session. But if you look at price action, I think it was a difficult trading day here with a tight trading range. So nothing we missed here. Wednesday, news day. Difficult price action. We saw one big up move during the news event, and immediately a big down move, breaking the support level that was sitting at 62. If you look at price action, you could see that there was a tight trading range of about 50 ticks going on here. Price was not able to break resistance to the upside or breaking support to the downside. We took a total of 4 trades on Wednesday, 2 break-even trades and 2 losing trades. The first trade was right after the break of the resistance area that was in place at 37. We broke resistance, we pulled back, testing support. That was the first setup of the day. Eventually testing the pivot here that was sitting at 43, and we were not able to break the area here. So the first trade of the day, a break-even trade. Immediately after that, we broke support, and we got the first short setup of the day, breaking support, retest of resistance. Perfect picture here, but we were not able to break support that was sitting at the whole number. We were stopped out for the second trade for a loss of 16 ticks per contract. We eventually took a re-entry short, and I think it was at the same price at 45.06, and we were stopped out again for the second time on the same in the same area. It tried to break the area here. I think it went 10 ticks in our favor, but eventually we pulled back into the into the area that was in place for that day here, between the whole number and 45.40 or 45.47. We eventually even took a third trade, but it didn't. I think it took a long time here. It went down into 45.30, and it was not able to test the low of the day, and it turned out to be a break-even trade. So Wednesday, 4 trades, 2 break-even trades, 2 losing trades. We lost 90 ticks on that day, so minus $900 for the Wednesday. Thursday, 2 trades. Trend was down. We were looking, by the way, for a long setup in this area. If we look at price action, price was trading above support. This was the prior resistance area that was broken, pulling back into support, and we were looking for a long setup here, trying to break the 45.90 area. No trigger. Price went down. Support was in place at 45.39. We broke the support area, a perfect retest of resistance. Eventually we had to take the trade a second time. First trade, first entry stopped us out at 16 ticks, and the second trade, a momentum trade, momentum broken structure trade, that eventually gave us 184 ticks in profit, giving us a profit of the day of 136 ticks, so up by 1,360 ticks. Weekly outcome for the first week of November. Let's take up the account performance here. Weekly outcome up by 179 ticks. A total profit of $1,790 here. No losing trades on the long trades. I think 2 break-even trades, and on the short trades we had to deal with some re-entries, and on Wednesday we even had 2 losing trades, trying to break a difficult area here. Total percentage sitting at around 50% for this week. Profit factor 1.93. So nothing wrong with these numbers here. So that was basically it for this week. We have seen some difficult price action here for the last 3 weeks. Trading the crude daily range has come down. So let's see if they can pull up the daily range here, going back to the normal 200 tick range per day on crude instead of 130, 140 ticks. So that was it for today, or for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list to get the daily trades and the weekly recap in your mailbox. Okay, guys, take care, and see you back on Monday.